Thank you. All right, moving on. India is the world's second most sleep-deprived country after Japan, according to various reports. A startup founded in Mumbai about 4 years ago is attempting to change this by disrupting the mattress industry. CNBC-TV18's Kiran Khatri spoke to the founders of this startup. Let's find out who they are.
What is the name of your startup?
The Sleep Company.
In one sentence, describe what your startup does.
Comfort tech brand, revolutionizing the way people sleep and sit.
What are the products that you make?
So we've got our own revolutionary patented smart grid technology. We make comfort products spanning across smart grid mattresses, world's first smart grid office chairs, and smart recliner beds.
We hear that you've raised, fresh funding. How much is that? And who are the investors?
So we've raised 184 crores in our Series C funding from our existing investors, Premji Invest Firesidevetures. This is at more than a 2x valuation of our last round, which happened in October of 2022.
And what do you plan to do with the funds that you've raised?
So we currently have 60 experience centers across 20 cities in India. We plan to take that up to 100 by March of this year and about 200 by March of next year. Second thing is that we continuously keep focusing on innovation, so constantly innovate new categories, helping the way people sleep and sit. And the third is obviously investing in brand building.
How are your mattresses different from the regular memory foam that people use?
We don't use memory foam. We are against memory foam, right? I don't think it's the right material to sleep on. We use something that we call smart grid, which is a patented technology in our mattresses, right? And that smart grid, there are two unique benefits of smart grid versus, let's say, a memory foam or a foam mattress, right? I think the first is, our body is not a straight line. So it's not that we need a soft mattress or we need a firm mattress. We need a mattress that is soft on our curvatures, our head, our shoulder, our hips, and firm under our spine. And that's what smart grid does. It's the only technology that can adapt and change the softness as per your body parts. Second, I think one problem that a lot of consumers complain about is mattresses get hot. Smart grid has a lot of air channels which ensure that you don't sleep hot.
What is your revenue target for this fiscal, and when do you expect to be profitable?
So this year, we expect to close at about 350 crores of net revenue, which is more than 2.6 times of what we did last year. We've seen great unit economics playing out, and we are on the path to profitability, and we think that we will hit profitability next year.
What would you like your company to achieve in the next 5 years?
We want to become world's best comfort tech brand. We want to change the way people sleep and sit. We want to make them sleep better. We want to make them sit better, right? I think that's what vision is, right? But from a financial milestone perspective, if I look at, we're looking at, doing around 1,000 crore net sales in the next 2 to 3 years and, becoming a public listed company.
Since you are an omni-channel business, how important do you think it is to have a social media presence or an online presence when it comes to marketing and sales, especially in a market like India?
I think at the Sleep Company, because maybe we started as a digital first brand, that's our DNA. Today also, though, 50% of our business comes from, let's say, our experience centers, but 90% of our spends or media mix is digital. We use digital not just from obviously reaching our consumers, but huge chunk of our product pipeline is dictated by what our consumers want. We listen to our consumers. For example, we started with mattresses as first product with our tech. Consumers started telling us, that, when I buy a mattress, I need pillows as well. Can you make better pillows? So we put the tech in the pillows, right? Then our consumers started saying that, I'm working from home, but, I don't like my chair. Can you do something about it? We launched smart grid chairs. And same is for our recliner beds.
The best compliment since you've started off?
Yeah, so this is a little early in our journey when we were just starting out, and we were getting reviews on Amazon and on our website. And there was one customer who said that this is the best cure for insomnia, and that completely made our day. So I think that would probably be one of the best compliments that we've received.
Have you had any aha moment, and if you can recollect what it was?
I think our aha moment was the time when we really cracked this whole smart grid as a product, right? And as Priyanka mentioned earlier, it was 1.5 years of journey where we experimented with more than 100 different materials. And, there was a time when we didn't know which way it's going to go. And the day I think we cracked the product was probably something which I can call it as an aha moment.
On that note, it is time for us